Life in the early 1830s and late 1840s was challenging for missionaries. At that time, the Nez Perce asked the missionaries if they would come west to teach their people the secrets of the Black Book or Bible. So Narcissa and Marcus Whitman, along with Henry and Eliza Spalding, went west to teach Christianity.
It doesn't concern me so much what is to become of any particular set of Indians. Our greatest work is to aid the white settlement of this country and help to found its religious institution.
Whitmans played an important role in opening the Oregon Trail. The Oregon Trail consists of 2,000 miles of mountains. This would have been difficult to travel because they would travel on all types of terrain. About 16,000 out of 400,000 travelers died on this trail. But this trail was vital for the growth of the U.S. It allowed travelers to explore and settle new areas of the country, along with many others. The Whitmans traveled west to share the secrets of the Bible.
The Whitmans worked hard on their mission. Marcus held church services, constructed numerous buildings, and practiced medicine. Narcissa taught in the mission school, ran the household, and assisted in religious ceremonies.
July 24th, 1836. Our route today has been a very mountainous one. Came about 8 miles.
At first they both liked the challenge, but then they soon disliked it. They lost their infant daughter to a drowning accident in 1839. Alice Clarissa was her name. On June 23, 1839, she fell into a channel, drowning before her mother or father could find her. Gradually, Narcissa's eyesight faded to the point of blindness. But worst of all, Cayuse Indians continued to reject the preaching of the Bible. The Whitmans were not very successful, so the American Missionary Board decided to close the mission in 1842 and transfer the Whitmans elsewhere. The Cayuse Indians had suspicions in late 1847 when an epidemic of measles struck nearby whites in Cayuse. Most of the white children lived while about half of the Cayuse died. On November 29, 1847, several Cayuse took revenge. They killed 14, including the Whitmans. Then they burned down the missions.
The legacy that the missionaries left was to open the West settlement to settlers followed in the footsteps of the other missionaries in California, Oregon, and other territories. Few of the Indians became Christians because most of them died with diseases that the missionaries brought with them.